Installation of our theme and plugin. So let's go to File Manager. Locate the directories you have installed the website. Then click on the WordPress content. Click on theme. You can remove the theme that you don't need. Click on delete. You can remove them permanently and won't be able to restore them. Let's upload our file. So you select the file. You can also drag and drop the file here. Click on the theme that you want to install. You can only install a zip folder, a zip file here. So click on it. Ensure you see the green button before. Go back. I go back to here. Now extract the theme you have uploaded. That is done. Let us go to our website. Now let's refresh. So our theme is here. Activate the theme. Take a few seconds to load. Install and activate the plugins I will use. In some theme, you will not see it like this, but you will see installed plugins. Ensure you read through the notes on the developer here. Select all. Click on install and apply. That's all. Our website theme and plugin is activated and is functioning. In the next video, we will see how to configure our site. Thank you guys.